cut 9 circles out of your fabric. You can use any kind of fabric, cotton, satin, knit, felt, whatever you'd like. And then first cut out a circle out of paper for your pattern. Cut your circle to however big you want your flower to be. This circle is 2 1/4 inches. So now we're going to fold our fabric, and you're going to want to do that to get as many circles cut out at once. That way I'm going to get 9 petals, 9 circles. Okay, and then using your pattern, we're going to cut the circles out. Okay. Now we've got our 9 circles. This next step, we are going to make our petals for the flower. So take your fabric circle and fold it in half, wrong sides together. And then put a dab of hot glue in the center of the fold. And then fold it in half again over the glue. And then hold it in place until it's secure. And then do this to all of your fabric circles. Now we're going to glue our petals onto a felt circle. It's cut to 1 3/4 inches. So the first thing you're going to do is put a dab of glue onto the end of your petal, and then place it in the center of the felt circle. And then just keep going around until you've done your first layer, which has 4 petals. Okay, for the second layer, we're going to place the petals over the seams of our first layer. Alright, and now for the last petal, we're going to place that in the center. So put a dab of glue into the center of the flower. And then put the petal on. Okay, and then now all you need to do is just fluff up your flower. Just make sure everything is separated. Alright. And there is how you make your fabric flower. Another way to make petals is with a scalloped edge. So take your fabric circle, and then we're going to fold it in half 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now take your scissors, and we're going to round the edge. Okay, and then when you open it up, you'll have a cute flower petal. Like that. And then use the same instructions with these petals, and you'll get a flower that looks so cute like this. And here's your scalloped edge fabric flower. And then I'll show you one more way to make your fabric flower a little different. I've made the flower with 8 petals, and so 2 layers of petals, and did not add the 9th one. And then instead of doing another petal, you can add a button or a gem or a resin for the center. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to put hot glue on my button, and then just fluff it up around it. And this one you can keep the petals really flat like this if you'd like. That's really cute too. Or fluff it up. And there's another way to make this flower.